Air pollution. Air pollution is defined as the occurrence of foreign particles or gases in the atmosphere which cause harm to man, vegetation, animals, and even buildings. There are varied sources which cause air pollution. To mention a few, the industrial pollutants. Industries and powerhouses discharge carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and hydrocarbons. These gases are produced by the burning of coal and petroleum and combustion of lignite in the thermal power stations. Chemical industries release hydrochloric acid, chlorine, zinc, lead and arsenic, etc. So thus, industries are the major sources of air pollution. The other important source of air pollution is that of the mobile combustion. This includes locomotives, aircrafts, automobiles, and the combustion of petroleum emits particulate lead compounds. This endangers the people to deadly lead poisoning. The exhaust also comprises of carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and hydrocarbons. Another important source of air pollution is the burning of fuels, which is the very common source of air pollution. Fossil fuels, which are used for cooking, heating, and lighting of the houses, produces carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Coal on combustion produces carbon dioxide, and incomplete combustion produces carbon monoxide and a variety of hydrocarbons. The burning of coal also produces sulfur dioxide and ash. Ash is a particulate pollutant produced. Agricultural activities. Burning of forests and grasslands to clear areas for pastures and cropland produces up to around 60 to 65% of carbon dioxide. The other activities in agriculture like crop spraying and dusting for pest and weed control are the sources of organic phosphates, chlorinated hydrocarbons, arsenic and lead into air. Ionizing radiations. Alpha, beta particles and gamma rays are produced in atomic piles of nuclear power during nuclear explosions and the testing of atomic weapons. The other pollutants are the suspended particulate matter, which is also referred as SPM. The suspended particulate matter is a major air pollutant. The dust generated from coal dust, cement dust, silica dust is added to the atmosphere. Dust is also added in great amounts by transport vehicles.